Hello, music students, and thank you for practicing. This is the Technician Section B tutorial. If you have not done long tones and lip slurs today, please stop this video and do that right now. We're going to get started by buzzing the G2 sharp A, E, F. Here we buzz. So in the B part, there are a ton of rhythmic tricks. So we're going to start with just buzzing. We're going to start here and we're going to stop at the stop. Triplet, ready, set, go. B1. Buzzing is never wrong. Buzzing also helps to build up your strength and your pitch accuracy. So slow and steady is the name of the game here. Slow and accurate. Slow and accurate. So there's a couple parts that we want to isolate here. The first one is the arpeggio. So C, E, G, C, G, E, C. Do it twice. Ready? Go. Again. The other part that you will get really familiar with is the first 12 notes. Yes, 12 notes. Notice the double G and the double F. If you get those doubles, you probably got it. Do it twice. Here we go. Again. Ready? Go. So slow and steady is the name of the game. We're doing a chunk, which means B until B1. Those are B naturals. Yes, those are B naturals. Middle finger. Right. Slow and steady. Ready, set, go. Steady, consistent breathing will be your ticket to success. The next chunk starts at B. Starts at B1. And it starts with that similar pattern of the 12 notes. E, F, G, G, F, E, D, E, F, F. So double G's, double F's. I did label those D's. Not because I have trouble with D's. I know my D's. But those are anchors. So they are just anchor points. So if I start on this D, D, E, F, G, A, B. And then I have my arpeggio. C, G, E, C, E, G, C. So let's isolate the D to D part. Go slow. Again, same thing. Repeat that. Repetition is going to be your key to success. That part's really awkward. The next part starts on a D. It's a little less awkward because it's just the alphabet. Ready? Go. Again. Ready? Go. Arpeggio. Ready? Go. So the next chunk, we're going to start at B1. Ready, steady, go. So again, keeping it steady. Keeping it steady. I don't want to make a 15-minute video. So for the sake of time, I am going to skip the star. I'm going to skip the star because we already did that in the last segment. And I'm going to jump to B2. I'm going to jump to B2. Hey, look which 12 notes it starts with. E, F, G, G, D, E, F, F. Starts with that same pattern. Super duper. And then I've got the double E, followed by some awkward D parts. So let's start at the D. Let's go D, D until D. Ready, set, go. Again, same thing. Next spot on the D. Ready, go.